All right, what's going on, guys? Your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. Um, Man, crazy day. CPI came out, surprised. Numbers. I mean, everything came in as expected. And then I think it was overall that was up like 0.1% or 0.2%. So we're just playing market how it goes. Spy's ripping, Tesla's ripping. Currently sitting in calls right now. This is going to be the take profit that should hit. And then it's actually a good trim point. Uno momento. Uno momento, por favor. Oh yeah, nice push. Nice push. Nice push. Nice push. Oh my gosh. Let's go. We're just gonna go to TP. I'm not even gonna trim. No trim needed there. Wow. Wow. It's awesome. All right. That's a trim. Nice. Now I'm in runners. Just locked in profits. So runners at break even now. It'll stop me out. So dude, cooking. We've been cooking. AMD, bro. That's TP right there. I didn't hold. I actually, I don't like this chop, especially when SPY's going up. Nvidia was at a support. I just, if I just don't have a good feeling about it, I'm not gonna keep my money in it because that's my money. That's my money. I want my money, right? So there's nothing wrong with that. I think I made like $50 on AMD. I entered here, right? So we had a clean candle break and close. Great entry on the pullback to our level, and it held. I mean, there really was no point to sell this trade other than the simple fact of we still didn't necessarily break pre-market lows yet. We're struggling and everything else is popping. So I'm not gonna bet against the overall market. Um, so usually I feel like Nvidia and AMD is goes with each other, but here you go. This is maybe potentially your balance point, and same with Nvidia. So that was the trade for AMD, right? And it just now hit TP, and then I was watching everything else. So this is what how I watch it, and I have another. I have this one that I usually do another four on or two, whatever. Whatever, however many more I want to look at. And So then I saw Tesla come back above our 3499 level, and that's when we go back to the one screen, right? Pull up Tesla. I mean, look how gorgeous she's pushing right now. I think we're gonna come grab liquidity up here before we do anything else. Volume's coming in gorgeous, so I'm not worried. This is a great time to hold runners. Uh, on my entry for Tesla, we had we had this happen, right? So we broke and closed clean above, and then we still did have pre-market levels, right? So that was my trim, um, and I didn't want to touch it until we broke above 353. So I was like, let me, quick day, quick day. Let me lock in my profits because we don't know how today's going. So this is my entry, 350, and this is my exit right at highs. 352. So that's still a $2 move, right? And then we just hit a $4 move right in front of you. So after this happens, right, then I see volume come in. I'm like, oh wow, it's good. I'm only in one contract at this point because I sold everything here. So I just got a runner. Wow, all right, clean break and close. Let's see what happens. Another clean break and close. So this retest where this dotted line is, this is my entry, right? So this was my re-entry to the upside. And you guys saw that I just trimmed. I just trimmed here at this candle close, and now this candle is about to push the TP to full TP, which is amazing. Uh, uh, but see how we're getting overbought. Like this is why I'm just in one con. So we just took another one from 353.95 to 357.26, dude. I mean, like $4, man. That it pays a lot. I think one contract like out of the money even you would have made a couple $100, depending how far you go. But yeah, so that's pretty much all I did today. Spies ripping, like I said, just doesn't make any sense. Long term's doing good. Long terms are going crazy. Hood was gorgeous. I actually wanted hood calls, but we were still within the zone, right? So the reason why I wanted to take these calls and didn't take these calls is because I was expecting a reject around here. So I was actually waiting for this, but I just missed it, literally, um, because I'm done for the day. So yeah, that's a full breakdown of what it looks like on a choppy day with CPI and everything. So I mean, there's always ways to play it. Like there's always a trade to take. If you're not sure, you can wait for confirmation and then sell at a safe spot. You don't have to go for 100% every time, bro. Like just get in where you want to get in, wait for your entry, let it come to you, and then if you get that gut feeling to sell, dude, just sell it. It's not worth it to hold it, lose half your profits, and then you get, now you're like, I just want to get my money back. And then you go negative. Now you just want to get back to half your profits. Like it's you see how that hole gets deeper and deeper, and then you're negative looking to break even. Like you guys need to have stop loss, respect the stop loss. As soon as you ignore your stop loss, or as soon as you move it a little bit farther, you're gambling. Now it's not trading anymore. Now it's gambling. So respect your stop losses. You need to be a great loser in trading in order to make money because half of it is risk management. Most of it, 90% of it is risk management. You could actually lose like half the trades you take and still be profitable with proper risk management. All right, so it's your boy Mike Lowy. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you want to hear about, learn about. We out.